War India News Hour. Connected devices leading to the growth of edge computing. The rise of the connected devices ecosystem has led to a rise in demand for high-speed networks. It has exposed the limitations of the overall network architecture, highlighting the need for edge computing. There are hundreds of sensors in a modern-day car and creates tons of data. And while most of it is processed in the vehicle itself, transfer of data to the cloud might be needed by some in-car applications. Data moved to the cloud could be constrained more intelligently with edge computing. With the advent of next-gen technologies in the autonomous vehicle ecosystem, challenges such as delay in data transmission, real-time results, on-the-spot accurate and vital decisions, processing of large quantities of data, etc. have also increased. Automotive players are focused on leveraging edge computing to address these ever-evolving challenges. In traditional enterprise computing, data is produced at a user's computer. That data is moved across a WAN, such as the internet, through the corporate LAN, where the data is stored and worked upon by an enterprise application. Results of that work are then conveyed back to the end user. With regards to infrastructure of edge computing, it is a network of local micro data centers for storage and processing purposes. At the same time, the central data center oversees the proceedings and get value insights into the local data processing. However, we need to be mindful that edge computing is a kind of expansion of cloud computing architecture, that is, an optimized solution for decentralized infrastructure. The fact is, in a digital-first world, personalized content drives everything in the digital economy. Let's look into the headlines in War India. Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO, pledges support in India's COVID-19 battle. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, said that he is heartbroken by the current COVID-19 situation in India. The Indian-American corporate mogul also went on to express his gratitude towards the Biden administration for helping India tide over the coronavirus crisis. Talking to Twitter, Nadella stated that Microsoft will also continue to aid relief efforts and support the purchase of critical oxygen concentration devices. I am grateful the US government is mobilizing to help. Microsoft will continue to use its voice, resources and technology to aid relief efforts and support the purchase of critical oxygen concentration devices. Tata Sons to add BigBasket into its cart. Tata Digital will acquire up to 64.3% of supermarket grocery supplies and its sole control over innovative retail concepts that runs BigBasket. Tata is building a super app under Tata Digital which plans to add categories such as groceries, health, education, entertainment, electronics, fashion, travel, beauty and lifestyle. It also plans to leverage the strength of group companies such as Titan, Walters, Trent, Tata Consumer Products, Tata Motors, Vistara, Tata AIG, Tata Capital and Taj Hotels, offering users an array of services in one app. Going forward, Tata Digital is also close to buying a majority stake in online pharmacy player 1mg. F5 vulnerability exposed allows an attacker to bypass the Kerberos authentication. A new bypass vulnerability CVE 2021-23008 in the Kerberos Key Distribution Center, that is KDC security feature, is impacting F5 Big IP application delivery services. The KDC spoofing vulnerability allows an attacker to bypass the Kerberos authentication to Big IP Access Policy Manager, bypass security policies and gain unfettered access to sensitive workloads. Silverfront researchers Joran Kasserner and Rotem Zech said in a report, in some cases this can be used to bypass authentication to the Big IP admin console as well. Tech Mahindra forecasts double-digit growth as clients hike digital spends. Tech Mahindra has forecasted double-digit growth for the ongoing fiscal year with a growing demand for clients. Indian IT services providers have seen significant order wins as customers digitize their businesses. Our continued focus on cutting-edge technologies has expanded client engagement with large deals wins this quarter. We are witnessing a strong demand acceleration and are committed towards delivering a next-level human-centered experience of the future now, said C.P. Gurnani, Managing Director and CEO, Tech Mahindra. IBM to acquire software provider Turbonomic. IBM has agreed to acquire Turbonomic, a provider of software that helps companies monitor the performance of their business applications in real time. The deal, IBM's largest since its acquisition of open source software company Red Hat for $34 billion in 2019, values Turbonomic will be valued between $1.5 billion and $2 billion as per the sources. With this, it will be IBM's 11th acquisition since Arvind Krishna became CEO last year. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.